Hi, I'm Nehal from Rectangled and I'm here to tell you on how to access control for your rectangled.io location. Follow these steps. Log into your rectangle.io dashboard. On the left side panel, click on Access Control. Select the location from Select Location drop-down menu. A tabular view of pre-existing controls will open up. To create a new access control, click on Create User. Enter all the details, the name, phone number, email, and currency of the user, and select a pre-existing location name. Assign the role that you want to give them from the Assign Role drop-down menu. Rectangle.io has created 3 levels of roles for you: Business Owner, Business Manager, and Employee. Click Submit to save the access control. While setting access control for your rectangle.io location, you can ensure that only authorized personnel have access to your business information, thus increasing security and reducing the risk of data breaches. Thank you.